Well, today we are going to see what is endocrine glands and the functions. Let's start. A structure which makes hormones in the body is called endocrine glands. They are also called ductless glands because they do not have duct to secrete the hormones. A group of endocrine glands which produce various hormones is called an endocrine system. It is also called hormonal system. Endocrine system help in coordinating the activities of our body. There are various endocrine glands. Let us see what are they. Hypothalamus. You can see this is hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a portion of the brain that contains a number of small nuclei with a variety of functions. One of the most important functions of the hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to the endocrine system through the pituitary gland. Let us see its function. The hypothalamus is responsible for certain metabolic processes and other activities of the autonomic nervous system. It synthesizes and secretes certain neurohormones, often called releasing hormones or hypothalamic hormones, and these in turn stimulate or inhibit the secretion of pituitary hormones. Hypothalamus controls body temperature, hunger, fatigue, sleep, etc. The next is pituitary gland. It is located here, and the pituitary gland or hypophysis is an endocrine gland about the size of pea and weighing of 0.5 gram in humans. It composed of 3 lobes: anterior, intermediate, and posterior. Functions of pituitary gland: growth, blood pressure, sex organ functions in both males and females, thyroid gland, and so on. Next is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, or just thyroid, is one of the largest endocrine gland and consists of 2 connected lobes. Each lobe is about 5 cm long, 3 cm wide, and 2 cm thick. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped organ. The thyroid gland is found in the neck below the thyroid cartilage, which form Adamant's apple. It secretes thyroxine hormones, also called T4. The thyroid also produces calcitonin, which plays a role in calcium homeostasis. Functions of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland controls how quickly the body uses energy, makes proteins, and controls how sensitive the body is to other hormones. Thyroid hormone act throughout the body, influencing metabolism, growth and development, and body temperature. During infancy and childhood, adequate thyroid hormones is critical for brain development. Next is parathyroid gland. You can see there are 4 parathyroid glands, and they are each about the size of grain of rice. Though they are located near each other, the parathyroid gland are not related to the thyroid gland. Parathyroid hormone PTH has a very powerful influence on the cells of your own bones by causing them to release their calcium into the bloodstream. Functions of parathyroid. Parathyroid hormone regulates the body calcium levels. Parathyroid essentially helps the nerves and muscular system functions properly. Calcium is the primary element that causes muscles to contract, and calcium levels are very important to the normal conduction of electrical current along nerves. Thymus. The thymus is a specialized organ of the immune system. The thymus is composed of 2 identical lobes, and it's located anatomically in the anterior superior mediastinum in front of the heart and behind the sternum. Each lobe of the thymus can be divided into central medulla and a peripheral cortex, which is surrounded by an outer capsule. The thymus produces secrete thymosins. Functions of thymus. It helps the body to protect itself against autoimmunity, which occurs when the immune system turns against itself. It protects the body from certain threats, including viruses and infections. Next is adrenal gland. The adrenal gland are 2 glands that sit on the top of your kidney and that are made up of 2 distinct parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. They are also known as suprarenal gland. The adrenal glands are 2 triangular shaped organs that measure about 1.5 inches in height and 3 inches in length. So, functions of adrenal gland. The adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla have very different functions. One of the main distinction between them is that the hormones released by the adrenal cortex are necessary for life, those secreted by the adrenal medulla are not. The next is pancreas. The pancreas is unique in that it's both an endocrine and exocrine gland. In other words, the pancreas has the dual function of secreting hormones in blood, endocrine, and secreting enzymes through duct exocrine. The pancreas is a 6-inch long flattened gland that lies deep within the abdomen between the stomach and the spine. It connected to the duodenum, which is a part of the small intestine. It secretes insulin. So, functions of pancreas. The pancreas maintains the body's blood glucose sugar balance. Primary hormones of the pancreas include insulin and glycogen, and both regulate blood glucose. Diabetes, it is the most common disorder associated with the pancreas. Testes. The testes are a pair of sperm producing organs that maintain the health of the male reproductive system. The testes are twin oval shaped organs about the size of a large shape. They are located within the scrotum, which is the loose pouch of skin that hangs outside the body behind the penis. Functions of testes. The testes secrete testosterone, which is necessary for proper physical development in boys. In adulthood, testosterone maintains libido, muscle strength, and bone density. Ovaries. The ovaries are oval shaped and about the size of a large grape. They are located on opposite end of the pelvic wall on either side of the uterus. The ovaries are each attached to the fimbria. Connect the ovaries to the fallopian tube. Ovaries produce and release two groups of sex hormones, progesterone and estrogen. Functions of ovaries. The ovaries maintain the health of the female reproductive system. Diseases associated with the ovaries include ovarian cysts, ovarian cancer, menstrual cycle disorder, and polycystic ovarian syndrome. Thank you.